Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see that how can we set up Apache web server in our Kali Linux. So, notice one point or note one point that Apache is a company and it provides the service of web server. It launches its various products for various systems. If we are talking about Linux, in Red Hat based systems such as Fedora. In Fedora, the software of Apache which provides web service is HTTPD. And Kali is a Debian based system, so they are HTTP, so here HTTPD doesn't work. So for Debian based system, the software which built by Apache is Apache 2 that provide the service of web server in Debian based systems. So first we are going to check that this software is in our system or not. So for my convenience, I am first coming in root user. Okay. Okay, I have come in root user. So now what we have to do, we have to check whether the Apache 2 software is in our system or not. So by using command apt list ---- installed Apache 2. As I hit enter, we will see that it is installed in our system. But if in your case it is not installed, so what you have to do, you have to just use a common command apt get install Apache 2. By using command you can install it, but it is installed in my system, so I am not going to install. After installing, what you have to do, you have to check that whether web service is started in your system or not. So for checking web service is started in our system or not, we have to use commands service Apache 2 now here it is given that the service is inactive or dead. So for activating the service, you have to use command service Apache 2 start. As I hit enter, Apache 2 service will be started. For rechecking, you can now recheck the status. Now if you hit enter, you will see that it is active or running. Now what we have to do, we have to configure the CGI. Whenever we install Apache 2 server, we have to manually configure the CGI. For configuring the CGI, you have to go inside the folder cd/etc/apache 2/mods-enabled. You have to go inside this folder, and in this folder you have to run sudo ln -mods-available/cgi.load. We are only loading the CGI. As you hit enter, it get loaded. Whenever you do any changes in software, you have to restart it. So I am going to restart the Apache 2 web server by using command sudo service Apache to reload. Okay, it get reloaded. Now come out from this folder. After coming out from this folder, what we have to do, we have to go inside a folder named cd /lib/cgi-bin. You have to come inside this folder. After coming inside this folder, you can make a file. We are giving that file name. I am using Vim text editor and I am giving file name a1.py. Here we will write some Python code and we will try to run this code with the help of internet. So my Vim text editor is opened. I am going to insert mode, then I start writing code /usr/bin/python3. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to specify the content type. So content type, what is our content type? Our content type is text /html. Okay, now close it. You print. Here I am writing okay, I am going to close it and save it by using :w. After it gets saved, you have to make this file executable. Whenever you are creating a file, Python file on web server or which can be accessed through web server, you have to make this file executable. For making this file executable, we have to use command chmod +x a1 then file name a1.py. As you hit enter, your file becomes executable. Now what we have to do, we are checking our web server. So we will take this IP of the system and put the file name and check that this file is accessed through internet or not. So I am giving command ifconfig to know the IP of the system. So this is IP of my system. It may be different in your case. So I am going to copy it. Okay, it copied. Then I am opening my web browser. After opening my web browser, I am going to paste here my IP and giving my file location. It is in CGI bin folder and file name is a1.py. As I hit enter, I am seeing that it is what I have written in my system and I have made that file in my system. The file is accessed through internet and it is showing what is written inside this file. I have written inside this file, the file is I am Adit and it is showing as it is. So that is for today guys. By this way you can set up Apache 2 software in your system. Here we have to just to one point, we have to configure the CGI. So hoping that it will help you. Thanks guys for watching this video. Meet you next time.